Hi guys, today I'm going to review this chair, portable foldable chair. So it's from NatureHike. Looks like this, outdoor folding wooden chair. Instructions. Comes with these instructions, a piece of paper. So the model, the model is NH20JJ007. So the dimension 55 cm, 48 cm, and 67 cm. I've already opened and used it a few times. I'm quite satisfied with it. So let's bring it up. Comes with two supports over the same. These are the bottom supports. Main unit. Okay. That, nothing else. Silica. So leave it one side. So this rolls out, then this part, with that screw at an angle, you squeeze it in here. This part, the lever, you just squeeze it in. It snaps there. So another one, this side, same thing. This is the backrest, same thing. Squeeze it in. This new is a bit tight. Yeah, squeeze it in. So now you have two handles. Let's open up. You can open up, but you can't see this now because the leg is not supported. So how to support this? This comes into the plate. This one, there's a glue, there's a slot here. Without higher, there's a slot here, and there's a slot the other side. You have to put it in the two woods. Put it in. Then this metal piece swing out and goes into this button here. You may have to use a bit force to bend it a bit because this will be strong way. Same goes to the other side. So let me fit it in first. Fit it in. I'm still new to this, so I'm not very familiar with this thing. So this is how it goes. Let me remove this other table first. So that's how it looks like. The front part, the back, nicely supported. I think this chair can support up to 120 kilos. I'm 90, mid-90s. Sit down, no issues. It's quite comfortable, in fact. I can sit in this for hours, and the feel of wood is nice. I'm sure this is going to last quite long. It's well used. I kept, maybe once in 5-10 years, apply some oil to it, then some rust controls on this metal parts. Should last a lifetime. I don't think it need much issues. This called corduroy or something, cloth. I believe in Vietnam we got no problem looking for someone to replace this. This is one of the products I'm quite satisfied with. Quite good. I can bring on my motorcycles, bring hot drinks to the seaside, and enjoy. Thanks everyone. That's the whole review of this short reviews of this chair. Thank you. Bye bye.